The Greedy Dog. Roger was a naughty little dog. He was very fond of bones. One day, while walking across the road, he found a very juicy bone. He picked that bone immediately. "Hey, I have found my favorite dish!" He started walking back home happily. On the way, while crossing a bridge, Roger looked into the water and found another dog holding a bone in his mouth. Roger was very greedy. "I want that bone too. I will have to get it from him." He decided to bark at the dog, frighten him, and steal that bone from him. He opened his mouth to bark at the other dog, which actually was his own reflection. The bone slipped from his mouth and fell into the street. Poor Roger had to go back home hungry. Moral: be happy with what you have.